Hey everyone, welcome back to Motor Vibe, your ultimate destination for the latest car news, reviews and auto trends. Today, we've got something truly exciting for you, the 2025 Tata Safari No-Seater SUV. Yes, you heard that right. Tata Motors has taken the legendary Safari to an all-new level by introducing a no-seater version, and it's already turning heads across the Indian automotive scene. Let's dive deep into what makes this SUV the next big thing for Indian families and adventurers alike. Design and exterior, the bold new Safari. The 2025 Tata Safari No-Seater continues the muscular and premium design DNA of its predecessor, but with enhanced proportions to accommodate the extra seating. Up front you get the signature Tata grille with bold chrome accents, sleek LED DRLs, and a new set of matrix LED headlamps that give it a more futuristic appeal. The side profile looks more commanding thanks to its extended wheelbase and newly designed 19-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. At the rear, the connected LED tail lamp setup and the redesigned bumper give the SUV a wider and more imposing stance. Overall, the new Safari looks both rugged and refined, a perfect balance of power and elegance. Interior and comfort, space meets sophistication. Step inside, and the 2025 Safari No-Seater welcomes you with a luxurious cabin that's all about comfort and practicality. The key highlight, of course, is the new 3-row, 9-passenger layout. Tata has managed to pull this off without compromising legroom or comfort. The premium leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and panoramic sunroof add a touch of class, while the large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay keeps you connected on the go. Rear AC vents, multiple USB-C ports, and foldable seats make it extremely versatile for long road trips or large families. Performance and safety, power you can trust. Under the hood, the 2025 Safari No-Seater is expected to carry Tata's 2.0 liters Cryotech turbo diesel engine, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The performance remains strong, with refined torque delivery and improved fuel efficiency. On the safety front, Tata continues to set benchmarks, featuring 6 airbags, ADAS Level 2, 360-degree camera, electronic stability control, and more. Built on Tata's Omega platform, derived from Land Rover's D8 architecture, the SUV ensures unmatched durability and stability on Indian roads. Conclusion: the ultimate family SUV. To sum it up, the 2025 Tata Safari No-Seater is not just an SUV, it's a statement of strength, comfort, and innovation. Whether you are planning weekend getaways or managing a big family, this new Safari promises to deliver style, space, and safety like never before.